so much for recording this printer. That's the first time I probably this thing. Watch this. At that time. It's a strange sign, yeah. Is someone coming in? Is someone coming in? Is someone coming in?
Am I coming in? Is he coming?
I'm not one of them. Well, I guess not.
Okay, are we going back in?
I'm going to second one on this. Hey, mommy, I'm just one of this. It's out. It has to be in. It has to be in.
You're going back by yourself?
Yeah. Oh, why does the sign say that?
Because don't mess up the elevator, as I told you several times. Okay, should I go up to the second level, meet you up there?
No, I'll come back down.
Okay.
Listen to this. It's a cab view. Got 6 lights. Open 338. This is super well pitched. Yeah. This thing is epic. See, goes to be a door and 6 pins right on top. Knock him in, yeah. This is a Schindler. This guy is blue. Washing doors. Still. Is this machine room? Must be. This is the machine room. Yeah, maybe it is. See, it's a very short elevator. It just goes up over 12 steps. You see the elevator was behind the stairs. It just goes up that 12 steps. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh. It goes to 17 steps. Okay. Listen to this. I was thinking that's one of the ways we should check them out here. See, c'est Schindler on that. Yeah. I'll call back up. It's in number 2 boil. I think I want my glasses. the rest of the draft room. What's that iconic chime?
Yeah.
There you go. Schindler.
Yeah.
And George Mac.